Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini AI. First, ensure you are logged into your Google account to access Gemini. You'll find its intuitive interface easy to navigate, featuring a clear chat window. To begin, simply start a new conversation. This allows you to immediately explore its powerful capabilities and begin interacting with the AI. It's designed for straightforward use. To get the best out of Gemini, focus on crafting clear and specific prompts. Think about what you want the AI to do and provide enough context so it understands your intent. For example, instead of write about dogs, try write a 75-word paragraph about the benefits of owning a golden retriever. Don't be afraid to experiment with different phrasing to see what works best. Gemini offers advanced features to enhance your experience. You can use multimodal input, combining text with images or other media for richer interactions. Don't hesitate to edit your previous prompts to refine the AI's output. Also, explore the available extensions to integrate Gemini with other Google services, expanding its utility significantly. These tools help you achieve more precise and comprehensive results. Gemini is incredibly versatile for daily tasks. You can quickly summarize lengthy documents or articles, saving you valuable time. It's also excellent for brainstorming new ideas, whether for creative writing or business strategies. Furthermore, Gemini can assist with technical tasks, like generating code snippets in various programming languages or translating text between different languages. It's a powerful tool for productivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.